What is up, guys? Market is about to open up in about 4 minutes. Hey, I'm at a friend's, but I got an actual notice. Oh, you got a notice. That's good, man. Well, thanks for stopping by, man. I'm probably only gonna be on here for like an hour. I'm still trying to study for that stupid test. So, I failed the practice test again today, and I cheated. I'm terrible at this. How's your day been today, man? Oh, you know what? I need to get out of this funded account before I trade this. Well, it's good that you're actually getting notifications, you know? Dude, I was gonna go live on TikTok today instead, and I just don't want to do it that way. I'll figure it out. I feel like TikTok is where it's at, but just trying to get all my charts together. Yeah, no, sorry, I heard you. You're good, man. Market hasn't even opened yet, so I appreciate you being here, dude. I know I've been like in and out of your streams all day too. Join the stream. Pin message. In and out. Sorry, I didn't hear you. I forgot what I even asked you, man. To be honest with you. So did you make any decent trades today? I'm kind of nervous about trading right here. Go to the 1 hour. There's a big red candle. This thing will probably push back up a little bit. Here, I'm gonna go to just gotta give it some time, see how it plays itself out. Sitting in a demand zone though. So. Oh man. All right. What did that go to? Oh, that would have been a right at market open. Let me pull this down just a little bit. Oh, I know what I can do. There we go. What kind of stupid song is this? Oh, I'm glad I didn't take a buy. This market still wants to dump. Ugh. If we can come down to that 22,831, might be a good little trade. There we go. Had to move my mic. Looks like this thing just wants to keep on going down. Where's all the peeps at today, man? Come on. Gotta get more traders in here so we can play some more trades. Oh, I forgot to send that out to, forgot to send it out. There we go. All right. Damn, that would have been a decent little short. Oh. Get 80% off evals with our link. All right, I'm back. I'm just waiting to take a trade, guys. I mean, that would have been a great little short right off the open, but we're literally shorting right into a demand zone. So that's probably market, so a little bit of market manipulation right there off the open, but we're gonna wait and see how it plays itself out. Can't chase trades. That's how we blow funded accounts. I mean, we've gone down most of the day. When you look at the, what am I on the, my other charts on a 1 hour. Oh, would have thought that we would have popped back up, but we'll probably pop back up right when it hits that 23,000. We'll have a nice little push back up. But I really want to take a trade at 22,821. Strong pivot area. And so that was, that goes back to Sunday. Sunday's open. If we can get back to Sunday's open, that would be a great trade. Take a long right there. But we'll just have to sit back and see what happens. That's the fun part about slow markets. Just gotta sit and wait. Lately here, if I've been jumping in, it has ended horribly wrong. So, we're gonna trade tonight though. What are we in the Apex account? Today we made $508 in the Apex account. How many people can say that today? We made $508 in the Apex account today. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. A lot of people blew their accounts today. Just don't have a clue of where this market wants to go at the moment. I mean, I feel like it wants to go back to Sunday's open. If it does, we're gonna place a big trade. We're gonna ride that thing up all the way through tonight. So, Cody, you still in here? Oh, I didn't know if you're still in here, dude. Cody, did you see that video I posted from last night? Still there, Cody? My mic's still on. Can you hear me? It is going to Sunday's Open, man. That or it's gonna hit right at 23.10. I got you in the background. Laugh out loud. All good, man. All good. I appreciate you being here, brother. Oh. Well, you were here last night whenever I took it, so. It's different when you see it chopped up, though. I made $7.50, laugh out loud. You made $7.50 today? What was that? Just one micro? How many people did you have in your live today? Is it growing each day? Oh man. Oh shit, I'm on the, no wonder it looks like it's so close. I'm on the 4 hour on this other chart. Oh. Man, that demand zone is huge. What low is that? Friday's low? Man. It was a micro. I was up pretty good and moved my stop and bam, knocked out. Damn, that sucks. You know, now that I have more videos up and stuff, I think I need to reapply with some of the couple of peepers on YouTube. Oh, I didn't even get on YouTube today. Sorry about that, dude. I'll go like the video here in a bit. I just went to your TikTok this morning. I think I need to start streaming in the morning. So tired in the morning though. I'm real quiet in the mornings. Especially with all the studying I've been doing. It's 23.33. I should have took that short right there. That would have been a good one. Just stand underneath that VWAP. Dude, I'm so tired of this studying thing. I'm just not getting it. Well, YouTube messed up. I started the stream on the right stream I had set up, but some reason it did a whole other stream. Oh, that's crazy. I actually forgot to set up my stuff like as a preview for today. And so I did it at the last minute. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna change my thumbnail. So my other thumbnail has not been working, so thought I'd give it a change. I got a few of them like sitting in reserve. Dude, this market, it just wants to get me in there to short. I think this thing wants to come down to 23,000. 23,007. I think it happened in the middle of the stream, but I don't know. It's frustrating me. Mine is kind of basic. Oh. Oh, man. You know what I feel like doing right now, man? I feel like hooking up to my jet skis and going to the lake. I've been inside all day today. I went and sat underneath my gazebo trying to study, and then it got so damn hot out there, I was like, man, I gotta come back inside. I'm kind of starting to regret wanting to do this insurance thing. The money's really good, but fuck, I feel like I'm trying to become a freaking doctor or something, and it's like, man, this shit is not that serious. Dude, I like your thumbnail. It said, do it. Alright, this song's gotta go. Next. Dude, you know, if I was doing a bunch of giveaways like some of these other YouTubers, I'd have a shit ton of people in here. But because I have no prop firm giveaways, they all go to the ones that they go to the ones that are doing the giveaways currently. It does work. It does. I'm about to hit up all of those prop firms again. well, we're pushing up above the VWAP right now. Let's see what she can do. I still feel like it's weak. Still trading minis though. Let's go to the 2 minute. See what's happening on there. Getting bounced off of that right there. Maybe that is a decent little long. I don't know. If we can get above that other EMA. Oh, there's a lot of sell pressure right there too. I don't know about this playlist. Let me see about this one. Some royalty-free music. Nope. Oops. Yeah, I want to go on a trip. I finally got myself out and about off TikTok, but I was thinking about going to Florida, but the weather's trash over there right now. Is it? Dude, I love Florida. Well, I like Destin and Pensacola. I spent a lot of time in Florida in my 20s. Like, I would go like 2-3 times a year and spend a week or two. Especially when I owned the restaurants. Well, like my first one. I would just sit on the beach and log into my cameras and make sure no one was stealing anything from me out of my registers, and make sure they weren't, these kids that I had working for me weren't like eating up all my product. But it was always a blast, man. And then now, you know what the crazy thing that I've been seeing lately, like on the, like on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and all that, I have seen all the beaches that I used to swim and hang out at. Now there's shit tons of fucking bull sharks and people getting attacked by bull sharks, which I knew they were there, you know they're there. But there was never really any attacks. But like near all the piers and stuff like that, there's so much fishing going on that they're bringing in all the sharks to like where the swimming areas are. So it's like, man, is it even, I'm like a water bug. I love the water. So, you know, I want to hang out in the water. But the last thing I want to do is get my leg fucking ripped off by a bull shark. I mean, I like sharks, but I don't want to be hanging out with bull sharks in the shallow area. So I don't know about Florida until they stop having like all of this They need to get some of those fishermen off the piers and stop bringing in all the sharks to the swimming areas, because there's just too many attacks. So, oh, like Pensacola and like the Destin area, and then so I used to always stay like in Navarre, which is in between Destin and Pensacola, and it's like a little bit, it's more like a retired area. I don't want to go there. Well, what part of Florida you want to go to? Destin and Pensacola is one of the funnest parts. Well, if you're in your 20s, it's definitely a lot of fun. And I knew that area so well that I just stayed out of all the tourist areas. So it was a blast, though. Need to take a trip back there again. That or go to the Virgin Islands. That's a nice area. Dude, been sitting here itching to take a trade, but it's kind of just playing in this small little range right here. 23,076 down to the 23. So is that got a 30-point range? But in 33, laugh out loud. But dude, you're still young, bro. I mean, I haven't been back to Florida in probably like 10 years, but I spent a lot of time there in my 20s. And the reason I like Destin, if you like to party, which I don't really party anymore, kind of grown out of all that bullshit, but there's some, like in the Destin area, man, you can literally party till like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and they serve alcohol. Oh, that's why that keeps bouncing off of that. That's a pivot area right there. I didn't even realize that that was a pivot area. So we went down most of the day, all day. We should come back up and retest at least this 23,107. I think that's what it's trying to go to. And then we got a pivot at 23,085. So it's just high risk, low reward. So I like to party, but not that much, haha. Right now I'm in that mood though. No shit, man. I'm thinking about going to grab a beer right now. Go grab me a Modelo ranch water. Have you tried that ranch water that I told you to try out? The bad part is they only come in 6-packs. But they are dangerous, man. They are dangerous. It goes down like water, and you will literally within like I can knock down a 6-pack of those like real quick. Because it just tastes like water. And I'm not even a drinker. But they are good. Tastes like a Sprite. But they would definitely get you fucked up. Are you sipping on your Jack and Dr. Pepper today? Dude, I'm so glad I didn't just FOMO into that trade. would have just got wrecked. I would have messed up the $500 that I made today. I wonder how many people got wrecked today. I mean, I got a little wrecked this morning. I kept trying to buy the dips, and I'd get a little bit, and then I was trying to go against the trend for some reason. I don't know why. I literally saw the short, took it, and then if I would have held on to it, it would have been, that would have been a great trade this morning. But I was scared once it broke the support from last night. Once it broke that, I thought it was going to go down like maybe 20 or 30 points and then just pop straight back up and try to climb to all-time highs again. But instead it just went down all day. So, and you know me, I don't really like to short, so well, no telling. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go live tomorrow in the morning. I gotta get up a little bit earlier so I can wake up, slam some monsters, get my energy level back up in the morning. We'll see though. I think I've been saying that for like 2 days now, or since last week, that I was gonna start streaming early in the morning. But sorry, my friend just found out that the 2.8 million business he sold had an issue. I'm so into his talk right now. Dude, you're good, man. I appreciate you being here. $2.8 million. Says, sorry, my friend just found out that the 2.8 million he sold had an issue. Well, now I'm kind of invested, Cody. I'm curious. What was the issue? Did he break a contract or something? I mean, because I've sold some companies and almost got into trouble. I was like when I sold my restaurants, man, I had to keep my mouth quiet for 60 days before I could tell the public that I was no longer the owner of the restaurant. And the dude wanted to sue me because the chick that I was dating at that time was young and was running her mouth around town that I no longer owned the place and that the new owner was garbage. So she almost got me a lawsuit. He just got a call, but holy cow, it was an issue with how... Ah, that's crazy. Dude, I had a buddy, well, not really a buddy, more of an acquaintance. He just took a huge loss on a business that he sold. $9 million built and then sold it for $6 million. Crazy. And it hasn't even been going for a year. So. And we're over here worried about losing a couple $100 or a couple $1,000. These dudes are over here losing millions. Yep, I think we're just playing in a stupid little range. It's got to break out sooner or later, though. Hey guys, if you're watching, make sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, drop something in the chat. Yeah, he built a brand new motocross like training facility and then sold it for a loss. My son was supposed to go train there, but it was a badass facility from what my kiddo said. Couldn't imagine losing that much money that quick. Yeah, it's a boat, and he separated the 7 acres from the actual buildings, but apparently they didn't and included everything in the sale. Ooh. Which land is worth probably 300. Wow. That's crazy. It's like, I think we're gonna do the same shit we did last night. Just sit here right on that VWAP. I honestly don't have a clue of which direction it wants to go. Alright. We're just chopping around this little bitty area. What is that, like 2 points? 71 to, what is that, 78? I mean, that's like $100 and something right there. I think where it is right now, you could be right. Any direction that you go. Where are we going tonight? Where are we going? We're in a demand zone. I don't know, what is that, the 15? 15's pushing, but let's see the 5 minute. Oh, so the 5 minute is just sitting on top of that VWAP. no clue. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? I feel like at 7 o'clock is when the market really starts moving and chooses its direction for the night. So, all right, taking a smoke break. You're good, dude. You're good, man. All right. Come on, Nasdaq. Show me which direction you want to go. So nothing in the market. I don't really see anything, man. I've been sitting here for 45 minutes wanting to take a trade, but I don't really see shit. Let's look at gold. Ooh. So, fuck. I didn't realize gold went up all day. Damn, I should have been... Dang. Oh, wait. Damn, I should have been in gold today instead. That's where it was at. I have one on my phone, but I've been so busy with all this studying shit that I haven't really been paying attention to it as much. One with all the instruments that you trade stacked. Oh. I mean, I have TradingView on my phone, and then I set up all of my like reminders and stuff like that, but like when I'm away from the charts, it'll start sending me notifications that the market's going in certain directions. But for the past few days, man, I've been nose deep in those books. Well, not really books, chapters online. So oh man, I've been reading so much lately. I don't even know what I'm reading anymore. It's exhausting, that's for sure. I'm definitely regretting it a little bit. I've been asking myself every day, is this even worth the time and effort that I'm putting into this? Or should I be focusing more of my time like in, should I be focusing more of my time like through TikTok and everywhere else? Because that's what I actually enjoy, honestly. I'm more or less setting myself up for like a plan B long term. Because you can always trade. Trading's always going to be here. It's never going to go anywhere. Unless I'm into like trading. Yeah, dude, I can read trading stuff and watch trading stuff all day long. Because I have a passion for it. I love it. I just haven't become as rich as I want to become in trading, and I haven't beat the game the way that I want to beat the game. So because at the end of the day, it's kind of like a game. There's a winner and loser on each side of it. What stupid song is this? Now the market's going nowhere. See it on the 2-minute chart. The range is getting tighter, so it's gonna do something soon. I'm really digging that new thumbnail. It'll break out soon, hopefully. Yeah, I gotta go to your page real quick. Isn't it Cody Trades? Cody Trades. Ugh. God dang, Cody. Do you know how many Cody trading channels there are? Yeah, and that's why I'm here. Oh, Cody Futures Trader. Okay. I was about to say, man, there's like 4 freaking channels. There we go. Damn. Weeks ago. I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna like all of your videos. Oh, hold on. I'm in the wrong account. I didn't realize I was in my personal account. God dang, you got a lot of charts up. Let me, where's the damn? Oh, I said damn because you got so many charts up on your, I didn't realize you had so many charts during your live. Usually, dude, I can't have that many charts up. That shit confuses me. Yeah, I always keep them next to each other daily, 15, 5, 1, and 15. Oh. Or 15 second, yeah. That's a lot of charts. Ugh. Freaking market stopped moving. Either my chart froze or it stopped moving. Oh, no, it's moving. thing is way behind. All right. So, okay, I gotta get this gold off of here, or I'm gonna accidentally think that's my 15-minute chart and trade it. Let me go back to Nasdaq. In Q. So Nasdaq looks like it wants to pop up, but can you pull up the daily? Yeah. Woo. Hold on. It's gonna have a lot of pivot points in here. So now that I'm looking at the daily, I feel like it wants to go down. On the 15-minute chart. What do you see in the daily, man? What do you see in the daily? Man, that wouldn't have been a bad long. I was right. I gotta start trusting my intuition, like right whenever I see it. These slow markets have been kind of goofy the past few days. Alright. See, and I can't take a trade right there because sitting right at that pivot point. Unless it becomes invalidated, so I don't know. So I can see. Did you see it, Cody, or did you not? You need me to pull it back up? Oh, you're good, man. Need me to pull it back up? Here. I don't know if you saw it. There's your daily. So what do you see on the daily chart? I mean, if I was going to take that trade, I would have needed to have done that 30 minutes ago. So, already late to the trade, but is what it is. We'll start getting some volume pumping into the market here pretty soon. So, we'll see if it's just manipulation, a little fake out, if it just wants to go right back down. I mean, we went down all day long, so, and we're right here on the 15-minute. We're right here in a demand zone. So on the daily, we already touched that. We touched that on Friday and Monday, Tuesday. I like the 4-hour chart. Kind of looks like the daily. So on the 4-hour, I could see us coming back down. That's what I was saying. There's a demand zone down here. Down at this pivot, this 22,800. But man, that's a, what is that, 200 and... shoot, that's almost 300 points. I don't think we're gonna be getting down there tonight, but we could if there's some craziness that happens. I'm gonna put that as a, actually, we put one in the 900s. I'm putting an alert. And then I'm gonna put a interested area. Interested zone. There we go. I wanted to see if it developed a fair value gap, but it's just a volume imbalance. I still don't think this fair value gap indicator, I still don't really, still not a fan of it yet. Alright, so we're in that 6 o'clock now. All we've done is push up. Came down, touched that low, and then we've just I hate to buy right here. I would hate to buy right here. Minute. What is ES doing? Probably nothing. Same shit as Nasdaq. I mean, we can come down a long way. Wow. There's a pivot at 63.01 and then another pivot at 62.92. And I am starving. I think all I've had today was like a granola bar. I'm hungry. No, there we go, there we go. Kind of regretting not taking that trade. Hey, but no trade is a good trade, right? When are you gonna start putting on those minis, man, and trade minis? You do it in a practice account. Oh, today, you know, I almost I was looking at Tradeify and looking at their prices for just like a regular like live account. Man, they got some great prices. I was thinking about putting like $500 to $1,000 in just a regular live account and just trading it. I'm getting tired of all of these. I like the prop firms because of the amount of money that they give you for the small amount that you're spending, but I'm tired of their rules. Their rules aggravate the crap out of me. And I get it. The model's built for them to make money, not for me to make money. But I've been thinking about it. And then just trade micros on it. They're like $500 to $1,000 in an account. Just trade some micros, and then it's just all up to me. Isn't Ninja Trader running some good deals too? I think it was like 29 cents or something. On the micros. 22 cents? I don't remember, but man, I'm seriously considering it. So really all I see is that it just wanted to come up, touch the 21 EMA. Now it's coming back to test the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Is it going to come down to the VWAP? Touch that. Ugh. Said yeah, go with Ninja. Didn't you say something like yesterday you could put like $50 in and get a lot of leverage For mini, it's $1,000. How much is it for micros? And when do you get liquidated? If you put 100, let's say, so it's $100. When do they liquidate you? Is it like liquidate at 50? Damn, that can happen real quick. Even off of one micro, that can happen real fast. Huh. So basically they'll liquidate you at half of your account. How many micros can you take? Just one micro? I have like 160 in mine, so I could do it. Are you limited to how many micros you can take? They just cut you off though. Oh. So at $50, what is that? And one micro, it's what, 25 points? So you get 25 points of room to make a trade with $100. Yeah, you have to have 200 to do two. It makes sense. Yeah, I would probably have to put in like 500 or something just to sometimes, you know, if a trade starts going wrong a little bit, you should never add to a losing trade, but sometimes. Yeah. I would just hate to be right and then get liquidated because it fucking hit half of my mark. And then it just go right back up. Oh, man. Well, Cody, I think I'm gonna get off, man. I don't really see a trade that I want to take. None of it looks... If I was going to take a trade, it's already missed. You know what I'm saying? And the next trade would... I mean... Next trade would probably happen within like an hour or so. I feel like some of my trades, whenever I trade at nighttime, they start happening like after 6:30 and 7, closer to 7 o'clock. But you might see me live tomorrow, man. I might go live tomorrow in the morning. I think it would probably be more like around 10ish our time. I don't know. Actually, when do I have that test I gotta go take? I think that's Thursday. Let me see. So tomorrow's gonna be a crunch day. I might not even stream tomorrow evening. Upcoming exam Thursday, August 7th. What time is that? Oh, it's at 1:15 p.m. So I can trade in the, well, it's probably not smart. I probably need to be reviewing over that shit. I know I'm gonna waste my $50 on that. Well, it's already paid for, so. Driving home, forgot I was doing laundry. Well, man, you drive safe. I think I'm gonna get off here. I need to get back to studying and get some brain rot from sitting here trying to figure out how the hell I'm gonna pass this test, so I stop wasting my time. You good at taking tests, Cody? You can go take it for me, man. I'll just give you my ID. You just go in there, go take it. I had to pay to take this test. It's $50. I gotta go take it at the college. But I already paid for it. I paid for it last week. So, and then I scheduled it. But then if I fail, I can come back the next day and take it. And I can come back the next day after that and take it. It's just $49 every single time. So, I mean, the fact that I took the pre-test today and cheated on it and still failed, it tells you how hard this shit is. I feel like I told you, I feel like I'm like in pre-med or something trying to become a doctor. That shit is hard. Like some of it, if you read it like multiple times, it makes sense. But once you get to, you know how many questions this thing is? 150 questions with 13 chapters that I've been reading through. I'm a terrible test taker. I haven't taken a test in like 20 years. My brain just shuts down. Like, I was doing that pre-test thing today with it, and my brain shut down on like question 30. And you gotta get a 70 to pass. I got a 66. I mean, I get it. Lots of laws and whatnot, but... Oh, dude. It goes over everything. I mean, there's like taxation in there. I feel like I'm becoming an IRS agent, a doctor's, because I need to understand like HMOs and PPOs and all these stupid freaking things. And it's like, bro, this shit is not that serious. Dude, I paid for ExamFX, and which is like Quizlet, but I paid like $70 for it, and it just... So the first day that I started doing it, I just listened to all the videos. Didn't retain a lot of information, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start reading it. It was so much stuff to read. I think I got through 3 chapters yesterday, because I had other things going on too, so. I think I got through like 3 chapters, and then I read a chapter today, and then I just like, I got frustrated with it. You know what I really want to do? I just want to find something that has all the fucking answers to the exact test, and I just want to go over it, and I can memorize every single answer, and then I'll go take the test. A long time ago, in my 20s, I had a CDL license, and because at one point in time, I owned a trucking company too, and for a very, very small period of time. And you want to know how I passed that damn thing? I mean, I could drive the shit out of anything, but I passed it because I memorized the test. The test was online, and I memorized the test, and I just went and took the test at the DPS office and passed it. So yeah. But yeah. All right, brother. Well, I will jump into your live tomorrow. Good luck with it. Hopefully a shit ton of people pop in there and support you. I need to get my followers up on TikTok so I can start going live in there, man. I've like been debating. I'm like, you know what? I just need to go live in TikTok the way that I want to do it. Do I buy the 800 followers just so I can go live and then worry about the rest later on just so I can go live? Or do I just keep pushing the content and get there naturally? All I need to do is get to 1,000 followers on there and I can do exactly what I want to do. And I saw so many other people doing that same shit, but man, does it hurt your algorithm when you do that? When I test, I start going through answering the ones painfully obvious, and the ones I don't know, I'll mark off choices I know are wrong, but not answer yet. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing, and I was trying to do that, but dude, I'm so ADD and I get frustrated so quick that, and then the answers to some of the questions, there's like 2 answers in there that could be right. So that's the problem. That's the problem I've been having. And then on some of the questions, it's like, oh shit, that's like a no-brainer. So it's just been so long since I've had to do something like that, so just getting brain rot from it. Frustrated, aggravated. Oh. The only reason I'm taking it is because I got offered a pretty cool deal, and they were, and so then I can have the ability to own my own company with that and do my trading. So it's like, yeah. What do you mean I just need 50? You can go live now. You just need... No, but I can't go live the way that I want to. I can't go live like this. I want to go live the way that you're looking at it right now. Can I go live like this? If I can go live like this, I would do it. With my PC. What I don't want to do is have to use my phone to... Actually, could I do it from my PC? And would they allow just the screen share, but then nothing? I mean, you wouldn't be able to see my face, I guess. I don't know why you can't go live like that either. Well, you kind of did yesterday, didn't you? It just wasn't showing your... I found a workaround, but not 100 yet. You might be able to link your TikTok to Streamlabs. Oh, shit. I thought their rules were you need 1,000 followers. Whenever I get off here, I'm gonna get on and I'm gonna see. Let's see if it'll allow me to do anything. But Cody, I'm about to end the stream, bud. You have a great night, man. Thanks for showing up and supporting. I appreciate it. We had a few lurkers today. No one said anything, no, so that sucks. But eventually it will pop off. We just gotta keep grinding away, right? Shit, dude, I was gonna try it instead of going live on here. I was gonna try it today, but then I was like, nah, I gotta keep up with my YouTube, so. You know, because you really, from what I've looked at statistically speaking from other smaller YouTubers, is that they started to grow a little bit once they put out like 50 plus, you know, like lives. Then you started to see some growth. So, that's right. Alright, brother. I'm gonna get out of here, man. You have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Alright, dude. Talk to you tomorrow, man. Wish me luck with all of my with my studying. Cody Future Trader was one of those. Oh, brother. I thought I had some lurkers, man. Well, I guess I don't. I guess I'm just not getting, it's not getting into the algorithm at all. Was that just one time, or was that multiple? Yeah, staying consistent helps. Later, dude. Have a good one, man. I'm out of here. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the stream. I appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow.